find S. And so if you don't know how to write it on how to read it in Arabic, if you go on the third one, it says it in English. So, and then the middle one shows you what it's named in English, which is lion. Put it under the...
It has one dot on the bottom, bottom bar. It has one dot on the bottom, bottom bar. It has one dot on the bottom, one dot on the bottom, one dot on the bottom, bottom bar.
Again.
Here we call this is the top ta. Why top ta? Because it has two dots on the top, and top start with top ta, and it has two dots on the top ta. Here we call this is a jelly jam because it has a jelly in its belly. It's hungry and it has a jelly in its belly. Ha, this is a hungry ha. It doesn't have a jelly in its belly. And this is a cool kha because it has like a cool cap on its head.